Today, we're going to be working on a 2019 Nissan Altima. This vehicle has some ADAS problems, and this shop was not able to figure out and solve the problem, so we're here to try to help them. So we proceed with the pre-scan just to see what codes the vehicle is throwing, and we have a few codes, right? We have the C1A16, we have the U1000, which we love very much, C1A50, C1A17. So this shop tells me that they have tried to calibrate this vehicle several times. They also told me that they replaced both the camera and the module like 2 or 3 times already. And then the problem is that there's no lights or anything like that, but whenever they start driving the vehicle, after a while, the ADAS fault message pops up on the dashboard. It doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes happens, sometimes it doesn't. And whenever you turn off the vehicle, turn it back on, or whenever you park and stay for a while parked, the lights will go off. Immediately, I'm thinking, okay, so if they did all the calibrations, they replaced the module, so it could be probably an electrical issue. Maybe there's a connection that is not properly connected. Maybe there's a wire that is pinched and sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. So before I do anything, I decided to do an inspection of, the basic stuff, the connectors, sensors, and so forth before I do anything. And you will not believe what I found. Let's take a look at it. So after I walk around, something catch my attention. Pay attention to this windshield and let me know what you see or what you don't see. So you can see right here in the middle, where is the camera? There should be a hole right there. That should not be covered. The camera cannot see. That's why that code, whenever you start the car, is not present, and whenever you start driving, it will come on and off eventually because the camera is trying to see and it cannot see. Apparently, they replaced this windshield and they just installed the wrong windshield. So I'm gonna suggest and tell the shop to replace the windshield, put the right windshield on, and then we're gonna give it a test and see if that's actually the problem. So here you go. They put the right windshield now. So let's give it a test drive and see if the problem is solved. Would you know it? I'm doing over 70 miles an hour, no lights, no nothing, and the car has been fixed. They were struggling. They told me they replaced the modules, the radar. They tried to calibrate the vehicle several times and they couldn't figure it out. Sometimes, especially in Nissan, that usually they're a huge headache to work with, at least in my personal opinion. We just overthink the process instead of going to the basics and just taking a look at the basic stuff that we already know. And, sometimes something that took them weeks to work on and they couldn't figure out, it just took me perhaps, maybe 20-30 minutes between pre-scan and walking around, whatever. And trust me, this is just pure luck. This is not like, oh my God, no at all. No, this was just pure luck, nothing else but luck. So this is, as a matter of fact, the first time that this happens to me and I was able to catch it with my own eyes. So, but sometimes you get lucky like this one and you can figure it out really fast. Sometimes you got to spend weeks or days working on a vehicle. So, but this one was definitely a good win for us. So don't forget to subscribe, follow us, stay safe out there, and have a blessed day.